Nature Museum of Millenary Olive Trees in Arión, Oldecona. We are in a unique place in the world, where time has turned our players into real actors in a long and mysterious history. Shapes, textures and colors have become words aiming that we discover and know these trees as authentic and pure natural art. Their largeness, their forms twisted and shaped by time, are the authentic voice of these living monuments, the Arión millenary olive trees. Seeing them, we hear the sound of the wind, the rain, storm and fire. They talk about their origins and past. They also talk about how our parents and grandparents, Christians, Arabs, even Romans, Greeks, Phoenicians and Iberians, have benefited for centuries of their fruits and valued oil. Since ancient times, this golden liquid has been considered a light source, an elixir of eternal youth, but especially an indispensable element for the diet. Today, the Senya's territory has listened and understood the message of more than 4,000 millenary olive trees, spread around 18 municipalities. And now more than ever, its people are proud of sharing a life and a territory with these living monuments, answering to their words with a commitment to ensure the preservation, avoiding cutting and plundering, but at the same time, trying to value all oils, giving them an unbeatable quality. In the Arión, which is a land in the municipality of Oldecona, we can find 391 samples with a trunk circumference of over 3.5 meters to 1.3 meters from the soil in 80 hectares. The result is a density of 5 olive trees per hectare. The most important fact is that they are being cultivated at full capacity. In the highest point, we find the cottage Mas de l'Arión, that took its name because of its owner in the 17th century, Hilario Ribera, alias Hilarion. Anyway, watching the olive trees there, the name could take its true meaning. Arión. Word originated in the ancient Greece that means better, stronger, courageous. Besides this curious coincidence, we have to mention the mysterious shapes the olive trees take, sometimes associated with other living things, such as rarefied specimens known by the name of octopus, because of the giant roots on the rocks and earth. A few meters from the cottage, we find the Faga II, olive tree declared as monumental by the Generalitat de Catalunya, and with its 12.3 meters in height, is considered one of the highest in the country. But these are just some of the hundreds of olive trees that adorn this great landscape, as is in the heart of Arión land, where we can find the largest concentration of ancient olive trees. Altogether preside majestically the Nature Museum of Arión millenary olive trees in Oldecona. In this little place, only 40 meters wide by 300 meters long, stand magnificent no more and no less than 35 olive trees, with a density of around 30 samples per hectare, which undoubtedly makes this spot, known as El Fondo Arión, a unique place in the whole world. Walking along these wonders of nature allows you to travel in a dream. Mysterious olive trees are appearing in your eyes. Big, huge. Way inside, the Arión continues offering new sensations. Olive trees are not over. There are still more and more. It seems as if the scenery of a story comes true around you. There are moments in which the adjectives to define these trees are gone. That's when we go inside. There, we discover the jewel of the crown. La Faga del Arión, with its 8 meters of trunk perimeter and 18 meters of base perimeter, represents the largest and most remarkable sample in Catalonia. This olive tree is listed as monumental tree by the Generalitat de Catalunya since 1997. When we approached them, we can see better the sculptured forms over the centuries. Twisted shapes as if they were authentic and original works of art. Encircling their trunks allows us to check its grandeur and discover strange ways as if we were in an enchanted place. Some of them have incomplete trunks due to natural causes and diseases. Others show the naked dark void inside. And others hide in their inner authentic holes used as a den for many animals. The different colors and multiple textures of the bark are the final detail of these works of art, giving personality to the different sculptures that constitute these old trunks full of wrinkles, holes, and small plants looking for their protection. From the old grey flaking bark, which sometimes reveals the brownness of its interior. Endless reliefs and motifs. Green colours derived from the moss, algae and lichens found in these old skins. Blue ones by the action of different minerals and plant protection agents used in agriculture. There is a multitude of skin and natural fabrics dressing and characterizing the body of these ancient olive trees. El Fondo Arión is owned by the family Portaferrer from La Galera, and since few years ago they cooperate with the City Council of Ulldecona, organizing guided tours there. Moreover, in the family's mill, they produce, among others, the exclusive extra virgin olive oil from these olive trees, labeled as El Villar Millenary. But it's at this moment when the olive trees have already been promoted when many agents, the Commonwealth Taula del Senya and its association, the Environment Ministry, the Biodiversity Foundation, the Catalunya Caixa Foundation, the Generalitat de Catalunya, the city of Ulldecona and Portaferrer family contribute to the construction of the Nature Museum in Arión, so that everyone can admire them, love them, and share with them this lesson of strength and endurance, giving them the opportunity to live with pride until eternity, and, incidentally, make momentum for survival becomes a symbol of identity of the territory.